call me a beauty volcano. It's not because of how I look, but because I've been working in beauty industry for years and creating marketing strategy for skincare products and enabling more females to become more beautiful. So that's the meaning of the first word, beauty. Simple. But what about the second word, volcano? So here's my story. Working abroad is an amazing and unforgettable experience, no matter good or bad experience. I was lucky enough to be the only Taiwanese expatriate in my Singapore headquarters. Because I knew that there would be only the top 1% best performed employee got this chance. So in headquarters, we represent our own market or our own country to compete with each other and to gain more resources for your country or your market. So in the first day I arrived in Singapore, my company held a welcoming party for all the newcomers. I still remember, it's on the rooftop of Marina Bay Sands, Jinsha Jiu. So as you can imagine, the infinity swimming pool under the swaying palm tree with great night view and with cool DJ. Couldn't be more fancy. However, I was really uneasy because I knew that I wasn't good at socializing with others and I wasn't good at drinking. The only drink I had and the drink that I only knew before I left Taiwan was Taiwan beer. And to be more specific, I only had half a can of Taiwan beer before I left Taiwan. Yeah. But anyways, I just kept telling myself, Gina, you need to at least meet one new friend here tonight. So I walked to the bar and I held a cup of orange juice and I slowly walked to a group of people surrounding a small table, a cocktail table. And at the moment, when I was about to introduce myself, a Korean guy said, "Hey, there's Gina from Taiwan, right?" "You know me?" "Yeah, what you did in Taiwan market was amazing. I learned a lot from you. I traveled to Taiwan several times. You have coveted the #1 whiskey in the world. Want to have a drink with us?" Ooh. Somehow, a sense of pride surged and expressed on my face. So I changed my orange juice into a glass of wine and I said, "Sure." And I drank it up. Whoa. Suddenly, the small round table became kind of a battleground, kind of a drink competition. Yeah, then I became player 1, Gina Yang from Taiwan. And there's player 2, Mr. Kim Jun-bong from Korea. And player 3, Morita-san from Japan. And player 4, Miss Jenny from the US. And Mr. Tarek from France. And I kept telling myself, I can't lose, I represent Taiwan, I can't lose. Then, after rounds and rounds of shots, not knowing what exactly I drank, until I couldn't remember anything. So the next day, my new line manager in Singapore came to me and said, "Gina, impressive. I've never knew anyone could cook like that." And she went on saying, "Not like a small fountain, but like a erupting volcano." I swear I didn't plan to impress people in such way. Don't laugh. You guys just couldn't imagine how hard I tried to wipe out those images and I worked like triple hard to transform from a beauty volcano of strategic thinking and strong leadership. I'll share all these stories with you next time. But last but not least, if you want to have a drink with me, have a beer, yes. Other than that, no thanks.